That's right, buddy. You are indeed here. And in this video, while I won't be talking about Spirit Halloween, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the new in 2026 Bavroga, the Shadow Man, or just the Shadow Man, brought to us by HalloweenCostumes and manufactured by Seasonal Visions International. Well, I was hoping his box was smaller, but it's not, which I guess is a good thing, because little did I not expect. Even though I was kind of expecting it, some of his pieces are big. Here's the first thing that we initially checked out upon opening the box originally, which are his boots. And as you can see, they're freaking huge, but at least they're made of the nice blow mold material and not that cheap plastic like the clown shoes used to be all the damn time. Here's his one of two hands, which again is really big and has long skinny fingers. Not to forget to mention, but check out the sculpted wrinkle-like detailing throughout his hand as well. Finally, let's check out the head, in which is definitely creepy looking, especially with that wide grin smile. His eyes are not detailed, as you can see, though I personally like them without pupils or retinas because, again, this is an unhuman folklore boogeyman creature known as the Babadook.
I see you. Goodbye. Your time is up.
So, here's the new in 2026 7-foot-tall Shadow Man animatronic, brought to us by both HalloweenCostumes.com and Seasonal Visions International. Currently, the new Bigfoot and Krampus also from Halloween Costumes are getting all the attention. But Shadow Man here, I think, needs some love and attention too. This guy overall is a really creepy yet cool prop. Once again, he's 7 foot tall. So he'll definitely creep people out for sure during your haunt or Halloween display. As you saw during the demo segment of this prop, he turns his body side to side, and while I don't believe it's a servo, his head moves on some kind of joint mechanism, therefore it has the ability to tilt up, while it also turns side to side, kind of like the levitating Reaper from Home Depot a few years ago. While I don't like that the mouth doesn't move on this prop, the I believe 5 phrases on this guy are, as some may say, short and sweet, unlike some retail animatronics who just won't stop mumbling. Another thing that I want to talk about with this new Shadow Man animatronic from Halloween Costumes is the build quality. As you can see, he's got a thick square metal base, and he also has square metal poles. Currently, Bavroga is in stock on the website, so if you would like to possibly get this animatronic from HalloweenCostumes.com for yourself, feel free to check out the link in the pinned comment. He's $299 US, so $300 US. I definitely recommend this item if you're looking for yet another non-pre-order purchase from HalloweenCostumes.com other than Krampus or Bigfoot, or this thing. Ha! But use a discount if you're able to, because he'll be a little cheaper of a price. With that said, until next time, thanks for watching, and bye. Made of the nice blow mold material, and not that cheap plastic, like the clown shoes used to be all the... Here's, at least they're made of boots, and